Growing your own fruit and vegetables is one of the most satisfying things in the garden. And to grow the most nutritious, healthy food, plants really require a lot of nutritional support, which means choosing the right fertiliser is key to a successful crop.
Gyganic is a premium, organic-based, nutritionally boosted fertiliser specifically formulated to meet the needs of fruit, citrus and vegetables. And the great thing is, it boosts produce size, quality and taste.
Apply Gyganic after signs of new growth, then reapply every 8 to 10 weeks throughout the growing season to provide a consistent supply of nutrients when your plants need them the most. Start by pre-soaking the soil, then scatter the pellets around the drip line of the plant, keeping them a few centimetres away from the base of the stem or trunk. Refer to the packaging for recommended application rates. Gyganic's organic base blends composted manure, humates and rock phosphate with biologically active ingredients, creating a nutrient-rich fertiliser high in organic carbon.
As a slow-release fertiliser, Gyganic needs to be watered in well to activate the breakdown process. This will start to release nutrients into the soil to be taken up by the plants.
Developed in conjunction with the Rare Fruit Society of South Australia, Gyganic provides plants with the nutrients they need to grow strong and produce delicious fruit and veggies.
Visit the Nutrog website for more information or call into your local garden centre to shop the Nutrog range.